Hey everyone, it's been a little while, but today we're going to be looking at the new Digivice colors. I've got both the special editions here today to have a look at. The boxes look awesome. I did buy a original color, but with the way the shipping is, you can only have 2 lithium batteries per package, and the other one's just not here yet. And I think I ordered it with another pre-order item, so that probably won't come for a while. But at least we have the 2 special editions, which is what I mainly want. We'll have a look quickly at the Tai Chi color, because we're going to be going more in depth with the Yamato one, because the one I'm going to be playing with. So, it's everything we have inside. We have all the crest, which I'm stoked for, because I've never managed to get, like, official crest. And then there's that Tai Chi color. See if we can actually just pull that out. I won't pull it out all the way, but you'll get an idea of the color there. Really nice. So as much as I love Tai Chi, I am more of a fan of matte, so we're going to be playing with that one. I can't figure out how to close that, so we will figure that out in a second. Okay, that can go there. Okay, main star of the show, Matt. We'll play with this one. And so I don't know if I'll be running both. I mostly got the other one for collection, but this is the one that I want. I'm gonna take this layer off. Struggling slightly. So I don't want the crest just to fly everywhere. Okay. So there's that. Let's see if we can get this by the way out. I love that blue. The light sparkles in it as well. And then there's the speaker on the back there. Has a shaker. I'm pretty sure it's like the newer style ones where it's like probably a fake shaker. And then has the pedometer thing in it. Let's have a look at this crest. Whoa. We have never had one of these in real life. Let's see if we can get the... I guess this just slides in. Yep, I'm pretty sure that's it. Looks sick. I don't think this one... Yeah, these look like it's just like this. There's a version of this one that came out a long time ago that I think if you pressed here, there was like a light that showed up. But I never managed to get my hands on those. And they're really cool. But I never managed to get my hand on those. So let's have a look at what else is in the box before we start playing. So it looks like we have a chain for the crest. And then... Ooh, that's right. We get a trading card in this one. I actually love playing the trading card game, so this will probably go in one of my collection binders. I do have a few just cards that I love to collect, but I mostly play the Digimon decks and EOSmon decks. Anyway, so that's in there, and it looks like that is the art book that we were getting. A little smaller than I expected, but I also don't know exactly what I expected. I'll have a quick flick through. If you guys want to have a rough idea of what's in it. That is really pretty. I'm gonna guess it's just mostly sprite work. Yeah, it looks to be just sprite work. Very nice. Well, these are cute. Like little footprints. Yeah, maybe there is footprints in this. I have no idea. I've been a little bit blind to what's going on with this thing because I haven't been looking it up too much. And then, like, there's the enemies. I love little art books, especially, like, little Digimon things. It's hard to get sometimes, these kind of things. Some bosses. That Saber-Leomon sprite looks awesome. Oh, I'm guessing that's the areas that we're traversing through. Just through, like, the anime. And then that's the end. Okay, so... Put all this back in the box. That's going in a binder. And we'll move this out of the way. And we'll have to work out how to turn this thing on. I think it's just this button. Just hold it. Yup. Ooh, it's nice and loud. Cool. I'm gonna guess this is like the Japanese ones where you can scroll through. So here's all of our characters. I'm not sure if we choose a different character if it affects who, like what area we start in. That's cool. And I bring this to check the time. I need to charge this thing. Okay, so I am... That looks really cool. Oh, it's vibrating. I was not expecting it to be able to vibrate. And a harmonica, of course. Favorite dish, I guess? I'm not sure how V-petty this is. Okay, so we've got a Digimon menu. I'm gonna guess this is how we switch through. Yeah, change, Digivolve. Bond. I guess that will be a thing I have to work out. Change. Can we change straight away? Ah, I guess there's just a few of us that we can just change to. Okay, well let's go back to Garblemon. Because, it's who I wanted. Not gonna lie, I have no idea what's going on. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of me working stuff out slowly. What is going on? I'm sure one day I'm going to figure out what just happened, but at the moment, no idea. Oh, I think it's just different scenes. Okay, well, I was on that for way too long. Okay, so Digimon map. Alright, so we can see File Island. And I guess we are in Tropical Jungle. There's more English in this device than I thought there was going to be. Cool. Okay, let's get out of here. What else is there? Recover. Link. So I'm gonna guess we can battle things. Verse Digivice. Can we verse others? Yes. We'll just try this out real quick. Oh, 1 second. I don't remember how to do this. Oh, here we go. Man, that animation is cool. I don't know if the battle worked there. Well, that was quite a fail. I'm going to try that one more time. I don't know what happened there. Link. So it's other. Okay, so it's other and Digivice. Other. Gabumon. Oh. Okay, we hit okay again. There we go. Oh my god, that was so difficult. Oh, it vibrates every time you get hit. Okay. So now, the Digivice should be compatible with any of the other colored... Oh, we got destroyed. Any of the other color devices, so the other color Digivices, the Digimon original colors, and the pendulum colors. This is like one of the only ones I have charged at the moment, so that's why we have that one out. Oh no. Okay, well their battling works. Good to know. Play mode. What is play mode? Oh, I guess we can view our evolutions. Sounds. Oh, okay. Okay, let's not get copyright strike there. Is this just butterfly? Okay, more anime sounds. Yeah, because this is meant to be like kind of almost like a CSA device and then Digivice in one. Okay, well, I wonder if we also unlock more scenes as we play through this device. That might be a thing to check. Settings. Okay, this is the volume sound settings. I might put it up. And then display brightness. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 4 is our max. I kind of liked it at 2, so we're going to leave it. And then after that, what is Leo? Oh, LED. Oh, that's for the lights around the side. Okay, cool. We'll leave it on for now. Vibration. I'm going to guess just on off. Yep, okay. So on off vibration, clock settings, step speed. I don't know if I want to mess with that, so I might have messed with it. I wasn't sure what it was. Clear all. I'm gonna guess that's put you to default. And then just sound volume. Okay. Oh, you can power it off in that menu as well. Okay, we're back at Digimon. I think what I'm gonna do is shake this to get us moving. And I will come back when we have a battle. I think that's gonna be the game plan. Oh, we got something. I did turn the volume down because it just kept playing the theme song. Let's just say we found Sora. I'm gonna guess we found Sora. Okay, cool. That's one event. Not the event I was expecting. Oh, we got an item. I guess. Bananas. I still don't know what the items are for, but maybe they're just a collectible. I guess we can move. No? Okay, so event 1, we've got Biomon. Oh, okay, I guess that's how many steps until that event, and then when it's red, it's clear. Okay, so the next one should be Kawagamon. Can we... No, it's not telling us the rest. Okay, so it only tells you the next event. That's cool. Okay, so we got Biomon. Good to know. We're gonna try again for Kawagamon and get a battle. And it also keeps playing the theme song. If you press this button, we can also get all of our steps. So area clear, 300. And then press it again. Steps, 300. Should be all 300, considering we just got that event. Okay, let's get to the next battle event. And then we'll see. And I don't know how to turn the music off. I think it's just like, are we doing this till the first fight? I don't know. Oh, another event. Though we already saw you, Sora. I am so confused. Do we have to select the event that we're going to next? I'm so confused. Is it bananas again? It's not bananas. It is Izzy's laptop. Okay. So maybe this is a different event. Okay, I'm gonna try. That one's done. Do I have to select it? Okay. Okay. So we were good to select the event, I guess. Is it this button? Okay. I don't know. Oh, okay. I'm gonna guess it's this. I got destroyed. Ooh, that's gonna hurt. Okay. Is it this button? Please be this button. Okay. Managed to hit. So it's coming. Let's see if we can get this. These fights are a lot more interactive, and I don't know if I'm good at that. Okay, we managed to take down the big boy. Yay, we did the event. Okay, so I feel like you have to select the event. And he is now our friend. Okay. I wonder what that means, but cool. I'm also feeling like maybe these items are just collectibles. I don't know if there's actually a way to use them, so... I feel like time will tell. Alright, so we're in Fire Island again. So we've cleared those events. This is the Agumon event. If I just select it... Okay, so I'm going to guess I don't have the steps required for it yet, so I've got to get to those steps. Anyway, we're going to leave it at there. I think the way to play with this thing, because the sound keeps going, is I'm going to the settings. I'm going to turn the sound volume down. And then we still have vibrations on. That's how we're going to play, because every time we go to a main menu, it just plays the theme song. I wish there was a way to turn the music off, but have the sound still on. It does stop when, like, the screen fades to black. It does, like, turn the music off, thank God. Because it was cool for the first, like, 2 minutes, and then after we played the theme song once, I didn't want to listen to it again. But other than that, that's the Digivice color. It comes in 3 colors. It comes in this blue, the orange, and then the normal anime color, which should be in the mail eventually for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think about the Digivice? Are you guys going to be getting one? Have you pre-ordered one and waiting for the second wave? Because that seems to be a thing that happened. These actually did sell out initially. I was lucky to get mine like just before they sold out the first time. And yeah, pretty happy about that. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. And we'll see if I do any more videos on this guy. So if you guys would like to see more gameplay of this thing, let me know. I'm still going to be working this thing out till then. Alright, see you next time. Bye.